All right, if you're sick of your backup alarm, lift your dash on your GEM car, and there's three, I think 3/8 sheet metal screws. There's one, there's two, and there's the third one. And then this whole thing, this whole white thing just lifts out, and then right in here there's a panel, and in that panel, I'll show you next, there's a little round backup alarm, and it's integrated in the PCB board, so you can't really cut it out or anything or program it to not go on. So you need to either tape it or fill it with silicone. I taped it and that's not enough. It's still super loud, so I put some silicone in there. And that's next. This thing is loud. I put tape over it, didn't work, so I'm gonna fill it now with silicone. So be sure to turn off your battery first, put on some gloves, and then fill that little piezo or whatever they call that thing to quiet it down. You can't cut it out, it'll mess up your board. That should do it. I'll let it dry and then we'll do another test. All right, so this is the stuff from Harbor Freight. Just clear silicone adhesive. Works great. Okay, it's all done, so much better. Doesn't blow your ears out anymore. Please like and subscribe.